In Tinga, Kenya found a reformer, a moral compass, a reconciler. He proved that progress demands both courage and patience, that we must be stubborn on the vision, but agile on the details, adjusting our means, our plans, and our strategies, but never compromising our mission. The gentleman we are bidding farewell today gave more to this country than most will ever. He endured years of imprisonment, exile, and political struggle for not the privilege of power, but for the principle of service. He bore the scars of his struggles with dignity and calm poise, and turned pain and suffering into purpose. Jacom was also at home in the humblest of homes and at ease on the grandest of global stages. His heart belonged to the people. He shared in their pain, rejoiced in their victories, and never lost faith in the people's goodness. Fellow mourners, one of the Honorable Raila Odinga's favorite songs was Jamaica, Farewell by Harry Belafonte, a melody of longing and gentle sorrow. He often broke into a dance and with a big smile sang, "Round the Bay of Mexico, where the sun shines daily on the..." Thank you very much. Today, those words